Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make checkerboard cookies. 225 grams of butter, 230 grams of powdered sugar. Beat until light and fluffy. Add 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and beat well. Add 370 grams of plain flour, half teaspoon salt, and mix well. Split into half. Add 30 grams of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon drinking chocolate, and mix well. Transfer the dough onto cling film and flatten it out into a rectangle with 1/2 inch of thickness. You can lightly roll it as well to even it out. Do the same for the chocolate dough and freeze for 1 hour. After 1 hour, cut as shown into 1/2 inch strips. Place the strips as shown, alternating with the vanilla and chocolate strips. Wrap in cling film and freeze for 2 hours. After 2 hours, you can cut off the edges. Cut with 1/4 inch of thickness and place on a baking tray. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 12 to 13 minutes. Allow them to cool before serving. Do try it out. Thanks for watching.